This is the lost and stolen process we have on cell phones. It is based on the principle that the user must first complete the lost and stolen process on the existing asset before they can request a new one. Each lost and stolen process is tailored to their specific requirements. So the one for CCBA assets will be different, but this does show the concept. For this implementation, the process works as follows. The user goes to the lost and stolen process for their asset, and once submitted, someone will check all the information, and the user only submits the case number afterwards because we wanted an early heads up about the fact that it was lost or stolen. The user will get in, once they submit it, the user gets an email with a link, and they click the link. Later on, they can then update their case number. Once all of that's applied, the process then flows to the owner of the cost center, the person that's going to bear the cost of replacing it, and they have to prove the process. So I'm now going to show you what the wizard looks like, and I'm going to leave out the submitting of the case number and the approval. If you like what you see here, it won't take much to show you the complete process, um, and I will do that if you want me to. Okay, let's start with a wizard. The user goes to a menu page with all the different processes available, and we'll select the lost or stolen process. And this will take them to a landing page for the process where the process is explained. And they need to read it and then hit the continue. And then the wizard starts. This wizard, they just confirm their email and contact numbers. Those are the only editable fields, and they select continue. If they have multiple devices, they have to select which is the actual device that is stolen. This will be the same if they've got multiple assets. In this case, there was a specific request for the process. We wanted to know if the SIM card was also missing, and they have to select that and hit continue. And then if it was stolen on the weekend, we want them to contact the service provider and immediately block it. So that's why you have this pop-up informing them that. And then, yeah, this is the bulk of the information that they have to fill in terms of the lost and stolen process. The description is very important. Obviously, the manager is going to check that very carefully, and you also want the date. And yeah, this is where we could request additional information or present additional information like the number of strikes they've had. Yeah, and then they must hit continue. At this stage, we will already ask them for their delivery address so that they know that once this is completed, um, the replacement process will follow on. And then they need to hit continue. And yeah, this is the application summary that they presented. And when they submit this, they will get the email confirming the process with a link that they have to click and update their case numbers. And yeah, that's basically what we have for this.